Have you ever been caught in a rainstorm, only to find your wiper blades doing more squeaking than wiping? Well, fear not, fellow drivers, because today we're diving into the wonderful world of wiper blade replacement. Grab a wrench, or maybe just your sense of humor, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the problem. Your wiper blades are like your car's eyelashes. They need to be in tip-top shape to keep things clear. If they're streaking, squeaking, or flapping like a loose shoelace, it's time to bid them farewell. Now take a deep breath. You're about to become a wiper blade wizard. Step 1. Choose the right blades. Not all wiper blades are created equal, so check your car's manual or pop into your local auto store for advice. Step 2. Out with the old. Lift the wiper arm gently, like you're raising the hand of a champion. Press the little tab at the base of the blade to release it. If you're struggling, don't worry. Wiper blades can be shy on the first date. Step 3. In with the new. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a satisfying click. Bonus tip: to extend the life of your new blades, give them a wipe with a damp cloth every so often. And there you have it. You've just mastered the art of wiper blade replacement. Now, go test them out on a rainy day. Just not too rainy, okay? Thanks for watching.